experience?
Bay Roberts is a charming town located on the north shore of Conception Bay in Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. It is situated about 50 kilometers west of St. John's, the capital city of Newfoundland and Labrador. Bay Roberts has a rich history dating back centuries, with early settlers primarily engaged in fishing and farming. It played a significant role in the area's economic development due to its strategic location for shipping and trade. The town is known for its cultural heritage and has several historic sites and landmarks, including the Cable Building, which served as the Western Union Cable Station in the early 20th century. Bay Roberts attracts tourists with its scenic beauty, coastal landscapes, and outdoor recreational activities. Visitors can explore hiking trails, enjoy whale watching, or relax on its picturesque beaches. The town hosts various events and festivals throughout the year, celebrating its cultural heritage, music, and arts. The Klondike Days Festival is a popular annual event featuring live music, food vendors, and family-friendly activities. While fishing and agriculture historically played significant roles in the local economy, Bay Roberts has diversified over the years. Today, industries such as tourism, retail, and services contribute to its economic vitality. Bay Roberts has a close-knit community known for its hospitality and vibrant arts scene. It has numerous community organizations and cultural groups that actively engage residents and visitors alike. Overall, Bay Roberts is a picturesque town with a rich history, natural beauty, and a welcoming community, making it a delightful destination to visit or reside in Newfoundland and Labrador. Mercer's Cove is a picturesque area located within the town of Bay Roberts in Newfoundland and Labrador. It's part of the scenic coastline that defines the area's natural beauty. Like much of the coastline in Bay Roberts, Mercer's Cove boasts stunning views of the surrounding landscape, with rugged cliffs, rocky shores, and the expansive waters of Conception Bay. Mercer's Cove offers opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, birdwatching, and photography. The rugged coastline and nearby trails provide ample opportunities for exploration and enjoying nature. As with many areas in Newfoundland, Mercer's Cove has historical significance, tied to the region's fishing and maritime heritage. Overall, Mercer's Cove offers residents and visitors alike a chance to experience the rugged beauty and rich history of the Bay Roberts area within Newfoundland. Bay Roberts Lighthouse, also known as the Bay Roberts Harbor Lighthouse, is a historic landmark located in Bay Roberts, Newfoundland and Labrador, Canada. It is situated at the entrance to the harbor of Bay Roberts, a picturesque town on the north shore of Conception Bay. Its strategic position makes it a prominent feature of the town's waterfront. The lighthouse has a rich history dating back to the late 19th century. It was originally constructed in 1885 to guide ships safely into the harbor and to assist with navigation along the coastline. Over the years, it has served as a vital beacon for mariners navigating the waters of Conception Bay. The Bay Roberts Lighthouse is a classic example of a wooden, octagonal tower with a lantern room at the top. It stands approximately 9 meters, 30 feet, tall and is painted in distinctive red and white colors, making it a recognizable landmark along the coastline. While the lighthouse was originally operated manually by lighthouse keepers, it has since been automated. It continues to serve as an active aid to navigation, helping ships safely navigate the waters around Bay Roberts. The Bay Roberts Lighthouse holds significant cultural importance for the town and its residents. It serves as a symbol of Bay Roberts' maritime heritage and is a beloved landmark for locals and visitors alike. The lighthouse is easily accessible to the public, allowing visitors to admire its architecture and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding harbor and coastline. It is a popular spot for photography and sightseeing. Over the years, efforts have been made to preserve and restore the Bay Roberts Lighthouse to ensure that it remains a prominent feature of the town's landscape for future generations to enjoy. Overall, the Bay Roberts Lighthouse is not only a functional aid to navigation but also a cherished historical landmark that contributes to the character and charm of Bay Roberts, Newfoundland and Labrador. The fishing boat Sepudi is indeed an iconic vessel in the Arctic waters, specifically around Nunavut, Canada. It is owned and operated by the Qikiqtaaluk Corporation, a subsidiary of the Qikiqtani Inuit Association, which represents the interests of Inuit in the Baffin region of Nunavut. The vessel is part of Qikiqtaaluk Fisheries Corporation's fleet. The Sepudi plays a crucial role in the livelihoods of Inuit communities in Nunavut. It is used for commercial fishing operations, primarily targeting species such as turbot, shrimp, and Arctic char. The fish caught by the Sepudi and other vessels are often sold locally and may also be exported to markets outside the territory. While the Sepudi operates in various parts of the Arctic Ocean, its home port is in Iqaluit, the capital of Nunavut. Iqaluit serves as a hub for fishing activities and is where the vessel is based when not at sea. The Sepudi is a relatively large fishing vessel, equipped with modern fishing gear and technology to ensure efficient and sustainable operations in the challenging Arctic environment. It is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions and navigate through sea ice, which is common in the region. Qaqiktualuk Fisheries Corporation, which operates the Sepudi, is committed to sustainable fishing practices. This includes adhering to quotas and regulations set by government authorities to ensure the long-term health of fish stocks in the Arctic waters. Beyond its economic importance, the Sepudi holds cultural significance for the Inuit communities of Nunavut. It represents a connection to traditional Inuit ways of life, including hunting and fishing, which have sustained indigenous peoples in the Arctic for centuries. Overall, the Sepudi is not just a fishing boat but a symbol of resilience, sustainability, and cultural heritage in the Arctic region of Canada.
Thanks for watching.